Hello everyone and welcome. In this video, I'm going to show you how to get the best Zalando promo codes. So let's jump right into it. First of all, you'll have to go to your Google and open your browser and search for Zalando promo codes. So right here, as you can see, we have some different options, but we'll have to scroll and find this website, which is Daily Mail. And I'm going to open this website right here. And as you can see, we have some options right here with discount offers. And as you can see right here, at the top of the list, there are some discount codes that are verified, which means those discount codes work for sure because they are verified and you can use them 100% and be sure that they are working. So let's say you want to get this offer, which is 50% of your purchase. So what you'll have to do is select this option right here, get deal. And as you can see, this promotion doesn't require a discount code. And if you tap this option right here, go to store, this will redirect you to the Zalando website and the discount will be automatically added to your purchase. So basically, you can just scroll through these offers right here and choose the best one for you. Another website that I'm going to show you right now is Wetrift. So you can go to Google and search for Zalando promo code Wetrift, and you can select the very first option right here. So as you can see right here, we have another list with different bunch of options and discount promo codes. And as you can see right here, some of the shoppers reported these offers and told us that discount codes are working. So you can use this one right here, and you can also scroll through this list and choose from this list the discount promo code that you want to use. And let's say we want to use this 20% of our purchase, and we're going to select this option right here, copy code. And after that, you'll have to go to your purchase and use that discount code in order to get 20% off your purchase. So this is all for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. And if you did, don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye bye.